Hi everybody, Adam from Salto here, and today I'm going to show you a new feature that we added for Zendesk. This is support for their AI agents, and what I want to show you is the option to find and replace text across bots very easily through Salto. So, for example, here I'm in my demo bot within my Zendesk instance, and I'm going to go into this answer, and specifically, I see this transfer agent node and I see that the text here, I don't really like it. So I'm going to want to change this text. But the problem is I want to keep it standardized across all of my answers. And currently to do this within Zendesk is pretty hard. You're going to have to start going through all bots and through all answers and search for this text within all of the different answer graphs. So I'm going to show you how to quickly do that within Salto easily for the same environment you're in. So I'm going to copy this text. I'm going to go into my Salto environment, search for this text over here. I see that I have this appearing within two different nodes, right? So we have it one over here and another one right over there. This also shows us where we can kind of analyze the format we have within our bots. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a deployment, which is actually, I'm going to edit this single environment. And we're going to change our agent handoff text. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to edit this within a web editor, which will allow us to use Git in order to easily change all of the instances of this text within our bots. Great. So the web editor here is a VS Code dev. What we're going to do is we're going to search this for exactly this text. And we see now that it appears within two nodes, just like we saw within Salto. We can replace this. And for example, here, I don't like the word help. I prefer to use the word assist. I'm going to replace this easily. And within the web editor, what we're going to do is, again, here, add text about the message we're doing here. So update agent handoff. Once this is done, we can go back to our Salto environment and we see that we have some changes. We can pull these changes. And once we pull these changes, we're going to have the changes within the Salto environment, which we're then going to deploy onto Zendesk. So right here we have waiting a bit. We can see exactly the text that we changed, right? We changed help to assist, and we see this occurring in both of our nodes. This we're going to deploy. These both are in different bots. Once the deploy is done, we can go right back to our Zendesk. Here we go. We can see it's done, successfully deployed. And once we go back to our Zendesk account, we can refresh the bot over here. And hopefully, we're going to see over here that our help changed to assist. We can also validate this. This is, of course, happened on both bots. And that's it. Hopefully, this saves you a lot of time and effort. Thank you for listening.